clicking on this video, and today I will be unboxing the Philips Stand Steamer 3000 series with tilting style board with you guys, and will give you a raw review on it. As soon as you will open the box, you will see all the bits and pieces of the steamer in the very first section. All the pieces are kept separately in sections and well packed. Packaging is sturdy and good for transportation. The steamer base is in the second section, and the steamer head is attached with the base of the machine, and it has a 2-liter water tank at the back side of the unit. Let's take out all the bits and pieces, and now it's time to assemble. The assembling is not very hard, and the instruction manual have step-by-step pictures on it. Just for the information, there are no written instructions available, although it is not very difficult to assemble. It did take some time to put together. I recommend using this video as a helpful guide for assembling your Philips standing steamer. It's always important to have clear instruction and guidance while assembling, and this video should provide you with the information you needed to get started. I have assembled the steamer, and now is the time to fill the water tank. Plug in and see the magic of Philips Stand Steamer 3000 series with tilting style board. Watch this beauty in action in part 2. The link is mentioned below. Thank you for watching.